Hey, my people, my words, my people. Now wetin I wan call una, my people, my people. This our feed, this our niche, e dey chook sometimes. My people, I need to shout, I need to scream. I just enter Instagram from our sister leader Nkeji. My people, a young guy just kpai him mother. A young guy just kpai him mother with him hands. Where this world dey go now? Na real end time now we dey. Guy just kpai him mother from where? It's like River State. Pikin no come get respect for mother again. Pikin no come even get love for mother again. Love your mom, sweet mother. You use your bare hands take kpai your mom. My people, let's hear from him. Other man say the thing when they talk, he come dey talk like person when he head not correct. For me, I look at like person when he head correct. He know wetin he do. Now people, if you look at it, you see say they take. Let's listen.
Who is this? It's my mother now. It's your mother? What happened? Why is she like this? Yeah, yesterday I go burial. I have a friend burial. So we come there now. This the contact say, okay, this morning we should withdraw money for me. I can buy clothes. Let's go for the burial. She say, okay. This early in the morning, before I wake up, she don't come out. Say she dey go the burial. She go the burial. Once I say, out of the money I say, making withdraw is good for the burial. She say she no go withdraw for me. I say, friend burial, how it is? Okay, you know man no go. She no talk anything. I said, okay now, make it withdraw now. Me no be say as I do that friend now, I no come go the main burial. So I can't say, okay, then she can't say she'll go withdraw. I can't do now. She can't go withdraw 20,000. I can't wake up from sleep where I sleep. Come meet her say, I should give me money. She's carry 10,000, give me. I say 10,000. Waiting, I can't the reason the money. Say 10,000. Which place I go buy clothes of this Africa go?
My people, may I explain am with my mouth before your mouth? Your mouth they get as they do me. They get as they do me. The same in mouth where they say her mom may her soul rest in peace. Her mom give him 10,000. The same mouth she say na her mom not give am again. The same mouth wey she say na her mom money. The same mouth she say her no be her mom money, na him money. The same mouth wey she tell us say her mom say your mate dey work. Now the same mouth wey tell us say her mom na him money when her mom help her home. You when your mother tell you say your mate dey work, now once that they see mother, now once that they see father. Once your father don't close eye, you will never see him again. Once your mother don't close eye, you will never see him again. Apart from dream, now you can't see them. If they want show body to you, or if they decide, you will never see them again. Now you use your bare hand to take your mother life. I know say many of us will say in head, not normal. If they talk, say they don't carry go psychiatric. They don't carry, if they carry, they look colo people. How you go say no as they talk now? Temper. You don't get value. You don't know what it be mother. You don't get that motherly love. You don't know what it be mother at all. That motherly love, you don't sell am. If you devil the colo, you devil the craze. Your mother. Which craze go craze you rich like that? Never see some colo people. Their children, they not born you rich when you take care of near their children. They go chase you. The same some colo, they not born you rich, you go insult their mother. Which colo you dey colo? Na temper, agbero. See it for mouth. Na person when they take. You go take finish. You don't know your left from your right. You take your mother. You take your mother out of this world. Mom when bring you come this world, you not take her. Take her out of the world. Are you for real? Your own mother. Mother when give birth to you. Bring you come this world. You now use your two hands to take your mother out of the world. Wetin cause am? Let's listen to wetin cause am. Let's talk about wetin cause am. Me, number one, may God take care of our children. May our children not see some bad friend when go lead them to other way. And we the mothers, parents, may we try as our children young. I know say na God dey take care of children. But may we, as our children young, may we get that communication. May we get that motherly love. When your children go there, they go they miss you. When your children go day one, they mix. In fact, every small thing about you. You be the type when they drop your pikin for school every day. Maybe your pikin still dey KG, primary. You want leave there. How do they feel? That bond, how you they look am? Build am from there. I know say na God they take care of people, children. But we, the human being, we get our own. Wait till your children will take mix you. If you know they around, they miss you at all. Those small things are something. As me, then I be adult. I dey miss my mom. I dey miss my mom. Sometimes I will say that my mom still there alive. In Nigeria, but distance. I go dey remember things. You know, this when we they do, when time of this time, I go dey miss all those things. If this guy get all those things, sure say he go raise his hand, take his mother life. I don't believe so. If my mom even cry self, maybe my mom do something, or maybe I see my mom the time when my dad take dive, or more. My mom, every second I will call my mom. Every minute I will call I go dey imagine, because my mother na one kind of emotion. That's when they quick they cry. Nothing, I not take papa my mom. Wait till you they do now. Which foundation you they build down for your children? When they know fit a mix, when they know fit a day without they know they mix you. When they go sit down, at least between 24 hours, inside they must talk about you. If they not even share out, inside between their hearts, that they mix you. Wait till be the foundation. Mostly with the young mothers now. Wait till be that bond. Or you be the type of mother when you say, this your son, he do that thing, for you to correct it, you go say, leave her. When you go supposed to tackle that thing, so that next time when you go do one, you go say, my mom, what till you they do about it? What till you they do about it? How can a son, our African children, our West African son, they love their mother so dear? How can this agbe just undermine? If they will say he head not normal, if he head not even normal, your mother, you ask money from your mother, tell me your mother give you, your mother give you 10,000. You say they insult. If your mother don't insult you, go insult you. Now mother go insult you. Now mother go talk to you the way she like. Now mother go use right hand take beat you, go use left hand take draw you. Now your mom, let other woman use that right hand take beat you. You'll see your mother reaction. At your old age, you still supposed to stay with your mom. If you not be person when they wash some people for your head, you just take your mother life. Woman when bring you come this world, you now take her out of the world. You dey by the talk like say your head normal. Collect sense. Collect sense. I wonder some children where they not get love, parents love. Where they for take care of now? Where they for build you now? Where they for bring you now come out? Where? You know they sit down, they think about what you want to do, give your mom. Now how you want to take your mom life? How you take they insult your mom? How you take they talk things when you not even make sense? Your mom don't leave the word for you now to hold. Your head not normal. If your head not really normal, it pay me for your mom. It pay me for mother, sweet mother, where everybody they sweet about. If your head not normal, your mother supposed to leave you for crazy people house. If your head not normal, I not believe say you go dey like this. For me, now things when you they take, yes, you they take something, then the thing will come turn your brain upside down. Just take your mother life. It pay me. I don't even know what I want. The thing just they pay me. As the thing just they do me. I wish they here. Now wait I would tell her. How could you? If you be youth out there, you want to embark on those things, all those hard drug, withdraw. Now where they lead you not to be that. Respect your mom. Respect your parents. Do you think this guy go ever get peace for your life if they ever live now for the world? Now the one person when you buy mama, he go bye. For that, they just live on for that cage. You may just stay there. If they say no be life, you don't read their life again. Woman, when you bring you come this world, you don't take which word you come. You don't take this world again. Now your empty body just a waka. Now they talk. I know our God is a merciful God, but I know say under my side I don't quarrel, I don't para. No be your eye. You take, or maybe your head. You're not wine out, but if you're not even wine out, now you take your mom life. Your sweet mother. Your mom, if they give you, what is it when you use the money to? For me, any man when you not fit work, use him hand. As far as you be mother and you give birth to that guy, you know, he don't reach, maybe he don't finish school, or he don't want go school, he don't want learn work. The money when you dey give am, what you dey give am, make you take and do. Now clothes you dey buy, how those things go look? Now sweet mouth you dey buy, all those things. If no be all those things, what they use and they take hard when you want to buy your life. I think don't take your life now to heaven. Let us train our children the way God way. Abi, let us train our children in God's way. It pay me as I see this video. Watch am. As it a narrator, if you go lead thy cage house, may you get. May God not let us give birth to children when He go take our life. Children when God will give us, now children when He go they mix every second of ox, they go they mix ox. May God take care of our children. Any bad friend when go lead our children to those things when not good, may God take that friend out. They will never see eye to see our children. And you mother, you father, play a role of when your children go take day, they go they mix you. Play a role when your children at in second minutes when you they ask them, maybe they go school, they come back, as they come, you'll see the mix. At least as they grow up, let that love, that bond, that advice, that mother care, that father love, put it there. My father and tough father, I get very disciplined father, but inside we still love him. I love my dad. My dad disciplined the children. They don't born you. Say they do party for front, you wrong. Go. When my dad really be my dad, they don't born you. Ikoboko they go this are not those discipline. Today, if I tell you, say, I don't appreciate her, I appreciate her for my dad. I appreciate her. Some discipline, they one will give our children, go, they say that they abuse them. Not be abused. Some children need that discipline. Some children, they're really stubborn. They need that discipline. My mom, now the quiet one. But as he still quiet, he still get the way when he see the maneuver himself inside us. Yes, let's think. I go let the shout, say, God, give me money, I take care of. Yes, now the love. Please, take care of your child. The way she or he will grow. May this woman so rest in peace. Now son just buy mama. Mama when bring her come this world. Son can't take mama come from this world. It happened from River State. I don't read comments. If now go lead that KG has, now go read the comments. If the updates today about this case, I will bring her come because it really touched me. It touched me enter my bone marrow. It touched me. May her mom so rest in peace. May go rest. May come up for the word of son. Son, every even tough time. I clicked. She don't go rest with our Lord, with our Lord Jesus Christ. I believe it pay me. Mother, sweet mother. My people, now this one I get to talk. See me, I bring and come from now my people. Nigeria guy from River State. Now say Nigeria big. We big oh, we big. Nigeria big. River State, now the thing for happen oh. Pikin just buy mama oh. Take mama come up for this word oh. Mama big pikin come this word. Pikin take mama go. Yeah.